I hate Big Time Rush so badly, and soon Rosie is going to watch it. I wish there was a way to get her to stop watching it. What if I sneaked into the EAS headquarters and make a fake alert? Good idea. Phew, that was a long walk. Ha 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 ha. I have a pack of Go animate logic gun I can use to leap back to the have. I wanted to leap to the house. I wanted to leap to the house. Oh, they are back. Gotta act instant.
Hey Caillou, what in the world are you doing?
Nothing, just watching TV.
Oh well, we are back with the couch.
Wait, where is Rosie?
I'm right here.
Oh.
Caillou, do you wanna watch TV with me?
Sure.
La 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 la.
Pandy baby stuff. Thank goodness there is no one here to see this.
I wish the stadium was full of fairies!
What the heck? Oh, Caillou, I'm so scared.
Don't worry, Rosie, everything will be okay.
How's the lag?
Stop laughing! Stop! Okay, Turner, you win. I'll rip up the contract. There! I am no longer your temporary fairy.
Phew, it will only last 30 seconds.
You out, Jorgen! Wanda, I'm sorry I replaced you guys. I totally learned my lesson. You're the only fairies I'd ever want, no matter how much baby-proofing you do. Welcome back, Timmy!
Oh, what if the alert comes during Big Time Rush?
That is very okay. You're not supposed to be watching that kind of stuff anyway.
Walla 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 walla.
Sorry, sport. Are you kidding? This is perfect.
Well, real Timmy, if you don't like my wish granting, why don't you find yourself a temporary fairy?
Did I hear someone say they need a temporary fairy? What? What? Don't build a dam in there! I'm calling my lawyers!
Well, Timmy's not at the center of the earth. Where are you, Timmy?
Yeah.
Squeaky spies to drop you out of your skull. Squeaky spies. Pop 'em,
I love those toys. I have a couple of them in my room.
Squish 'em, squash 'em one by one. Squeaky's boys, more Squeaky's fun. Fingers in place and soul separate.
Share a Perfect Christmas, the all-new musical DVD with Barbie and her sisters. It's all about making Christmas dreams come true. Barbie a Perfect Christmas, all-new musical. You can own it on DVD today.
I made this one.
Totally
So cute. Try it on. It looks good on you. You guys, look at this one I made.
Easily create your own jewelry with the new Jewelry Boutique from Crayola. Twist, spin, and shape the Crayola Model Magic clay into colorful beads, pendants, and charms. And create your own style.
Fabulous.
Add a little sparkle, and you've made amazing jewelry just the way you like it.
You look awesome.
But not as awesome as what I made for Coco.
The new Jewelry Boutique for girls like you from Crayola.
Going camping with Barbie and her sisters. Big sister Barbie drives the family camper. Two hammocks pop up on top. This camper's got a lot.
Yeah.
Barbie girls.
Barbie Camper, 10. Bike and doll 2-packs each sold separately.
Get your wish on at Build-A-Bear Workshop.
I'm wishing for Eric from the movie Happy Feet too. And his bow tie lights up.
Eric and his friends can be yours at Build-A-Bear Workshop. Animals sold separately.
Get your wish on.
Oh yeah,
Flintstone City, will you survive? Flintstone City, take the wheel and try. Watch out, it's a great attack. The wrecking ball will knock you off the track. Take the wheel and steer your car through 2 jump zones in the crisscross. Motorized launcher keeps your cars flying. Be quick, steer clear of the wrecking ball or you'll end up a total wreck. Fast Lane Stunt City, will you survive? You can get it now, but only at Toys R Us. Fast Lane Stunt City playset comes with 2 cars. Others sold separately.
4 players battle bosses and bad guys as King Dedede, Meta Knight, Waddle Dee, and Kirby.
I hate that.
Presently for Wii. Rated everyone 10 and up.
In Lego City, the new Lego City Space Shuttle is ready to deploy the satellite. Send up the astronaut. You can build the rocket, place the astronaut, and blast off into space. The new space collection from Lego City. Each set sold separately.
Monday, in Nickelodeon's brand new Winx Club series, the most powerful fairy in the universe. When you mess with the Winx, you get burned. Is taking magic to the next level. Magic Winx! But Bloom can't do it alone. What are we waiting for? Let's do this! When the universe depends on you. Keep going, girls! Take that! It helps to have friends like these.
Don't worry, I got this one.
Winx Club. Catch the brand new series every weekday, beginning Monday at 3. Only on Nick.
This is so exciting! I know! I can't believe we're up for Emily in the new Chauncey Jackson film. Joe Taylor starring in Chauncey Jackson and the Magic Gallows.
I've read every book in the series.
Yeah, and every actress in town wants this role. It'd be awful if they didn't hire you. Carlos. I mean, to get this close to the role of a lifetime and not get it?
Wow, 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 mommy help me, I'm being kidnapped. Wow, 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 mommy help me, I'm being kidnapped. Wow, 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 mommy help me, I'm being kidnapped. Wow, 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 mommy help me, I'm being kidnapped. Wow, 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 mommy help me, I'm being kidnapped. Wow, 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 mommy help me, I'm being kidnapped. Wow, 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 mommy, Caillou did it, I swear.
Well, what matters is that the alert is fake.
In your area.
But
Had this been
Caillou.
an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return.
You are grounded until
The sun and the earth collide with each other.
Go to your room right now.
Wait.